Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. I'm Atish Ranjan and in this video I'm going to talk about converting a PDF file to doc file without using any software. Yes, you don't have to install any software on your computer to convert PDF to doc. PDF to doc means the file with extension .pdf will be converted to the file with extension .docx. Okay, so for this we will be using Google Drive. Okay, so go to Google Drive. Okay, now go here and click on new file upload and upload a PDF file that you want to convert to doc file. Okay, so I have a file on desktop. Just click on this, click on open and wait to get it uploaded. Okay, so now this is uploaded and this is a PDF file, right? As you can see it. Now right click on it and go to open with and click on Google Docs. So this PDF file will be opened with Google Docs. So wait to get loaded. Okay, now the file is opened with Google Docs. Now go to file menu and go to download and click on this Microsoft Word .docx. Okay, so you can see the file is downloaded and now check this file has DOCX extension, right?